I'm looking at a portable fan heater by YLSCI. Yelsey, I don't know. This is a PTC fast heating. PTC, that's positive temperature coefficient. Just get it out of the box. And what I'll do is I'll have a good read through the instructions before I try it out. Instructions there. It's got 3 modes with LED dock. It's safe and quiet for the bedroom. Let's have a look what it says on the side. Automatic oscillation, touch control, portable light and easy to move. Auto shut off over heat protection. Powerful heating, climate control, 2 heat settings and a 9-hour timer. Take that off. It's fairly light. There's the controls on the top. Anyway, I'm going to have a good read through the instructions and then I'll try it out and I shall come back with that. Now I had a read through the instructions, fairly easy to follow. Turns on here and you can warm, which is 21. You can set the temperature, which goes up to 35 and then returns to 15. Gets hot quite quickly. You've got the swing there, which will move it round slowly, and you've got the timer there. You can set it for 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, back to 0. Stop the swing there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep trying this out for a few days and then I shall come back with my full written review.